Ready to move your crypto from Trust Wallet to Coinbase? Let's dive into a quick and easy transfer. First, open your Trust Wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Tap the Send button now. Switch over to your Coinbase app. In Coinbase, go to your crypto wallet and select Receive for the same cryptocurrency. Coinbase will display a receiving address or a QR code. Copy the address carefully. Return to Trust Wallet and paste the Coinbase receiving address into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of crypto you want to send, keeping in mind any transaction fees. Double-check everything is correct. Review the transaction details, especially the network fee, then confirm to initiate the transfer. Your transaction is now pending. Confirmation times vary depending on the cryptocurrency network. Check your Coinbase account. You'll see the incoming transaction marked as pending. Be patient. It may take a few minutes or longer. Once confirmed, the crypto will appear in your Coinbase account, reflecting your updated balance. That's it, you successfully transferred crypto from Trust Wallet to Coinbase.